Welcome to this video, and this video is all about affiliate marketing for beginners in 2021. Okay, and I'm going to run through 7 steps that you can take to start affiliate marketing for absolutely free, zero costs, and you can get started as soon as today by taking action and following these steps right the way through. Then you'll be able to start making money. Okay, so are you ready? Let's run through these 7 steps that I'm going to show you, and they're going to be very, very quickly. I'm going to run through the 7 steps, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give you some more videos, more resources where you can go and get more information, which will obviously give you more information about each single step that you need to take. Okay, and then you can follow these as well, and that will give you everything you need. Start making money with affiliate marketing. Now, the first thing is, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it basically means is you can promote other people's products and get paid a commission for doing that. Now, sometimes this is a recurring commission, sometimes this is a one-off payment. It depends what programs and products you actually are going to promote. At the end of the video, stay tuned. I'll show you where you can go and find these products to promote. So you haven't got to produce any products, you haven't got to have any products yourself or anything like that. Like I say, this method I'm going to show you is totally free. You can get started straight after this video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously choose what niche or products you want to sell. Now, this may be in the make money online niche, which is what I'm in, or you could be in a health and wellness niche or dating niche, anything like that. Even things like gardening and sewing, all that sort of thing, you can also make money in. But I would choose one of the big niches to begin with, and then obviously just hone down within that big niche, and obviously concentrate on a particular sub niche within that niche, because you're going to get probably better results that way, and then expand within that niche as you start to make money. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can check out this video, which is all about the best blog niches that you can actually make money with and get traffic with. And these still hold true today as well. These niches haven't really changed over time. And what you need to do is go over to a site called AWeber.com and then get their free AWeber account. AWeber is an email marketing software. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to use AWeber to build an email list, because what we're going to do then is we're going to actually be able to email our list other products and services that they may be interested in the future that you will come across, so you will make more money. Now, stay with me. Obviously, a lot of people don't like getting into the email marketing software because it's going to cost you money. Well, AWeber has got a totally free account. Now, you don't start paying with AWeber until you get down to about over 500 subscribers, or you're sending over 3,000 emails a month. You're not going to do that straight away, and in fact you probably might take quite a while to actually build up to that 500, and by then obviously you should be making money every single month, which will then cover the small cost that it does cost to have your AWeber after the 500 subscribers. So join up for AWeber today. Like I say, it's free. Use the link in the description below. I'll also give you, like I said, I'll give you another video at the end of this video, which will show you how to go and set up AWeber completely, start your first list and get everything set up ready to actually go and driving some traffic to start building your email list, which in turn will obviously enable you to promote affiliate offers. Okay, so AWeber is definitely the way to go. Okay, so once in AWeber, as you can see, this is my account here. You can go to what's called landing pages here. So once everything's set up, so like I say, watch the video at the end of this video and I'll show you how to set everything up ready. And then what you need to do is go and check out the landing pages tab here. Go and create a landing page. And as you can see here, they have all these different templates that you just literally have to click and upload. And then obviously just change the details slightly so that it is unique to your offer that you're actually promoting. Again, I'll put another video at the end of this which will help you to obviously go and show you how you can create these landing pages. If you want something that's a little bit more technical, you can still get this for free, and there is no credit card required at all. You can get it free for life. And this is Groove Funnels. As you can see here, it says you can get it for free for a limited time only. But once you've got it free, it is for life. So, okay, you've got a lifetime free accounts on the Groove pages and Groove Sell, and there's no credit card required. So check out Groove pages as well. You can, once you've got that, they do a Groove mail, but you can also integrate AWeber with Groove Funnels as well. So you've got the two then, so you can obviously make fantastic websites and sales pages and landing pages with Groove Funnels, and you can also integrate it with AWeber so you can still collect emails and build your email list as well. So there's two great products that you can use, which will cost you absolutely zero, guys. Not going to cost you anything, and you can start this for free today. So that's up to step 4. What we've got to decide on your niche, sign up for AWeber and possibly Groove Funnels as well. Create your free account, set up your lists in AWeber, and also go and create landing pages. And again, you can do these through AWeber, or you can do it through Groove Funnels. So there are the first 4 steps you need to take. The 5th step is actually go and create your emails. And you can do this by literally choosing your list. Okay, and then you literally go on to messages, and then you click on campaigns, and again this will go through it, and you can build a campaign full of emails, and then you can obviously add affiliate products and things like that in these emails. And that's what we're going to go and show next. We're going to show you how you can go and find products. So step 5 is go and find products that you can actually promote. And those ones I'm going to recommend a couple of sites to you. Now, the first one is Clickbank. Okay, so if you're into various niches, Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace. Okay, all you've got to do, guys, is click on the sign up now button, create a free account, and then when you come into Clickbank, is click on marketplace. Now, as you can see down here on the left-hand side, we've got all the categories. So we've got business, investing, the arts, entertainment, education, health and fitness, home and garden, parenting, self-help, all those things. E-business and e-marketing, which is what I'm into. So if we click on that, this will then open up various offers on the marketplace. Okay, so the first one we've come to here is turn text to speech within human-like voices. So this is obviously a bit of software. Okay, and if you promoted this, you could end up by getting $28 per sale. Now, again, there's various things you need to look at when you're looking at things like Clickbank. You've also got things like Amazon and eBay that you can actually earn commissions with as well. So this is why you can do it basically in any niche you can think of that would obviously have commissions that you can actually earn. But on Clickbank, I've got another video again that I'll put at the end of this video that you'll be able to go and check it out, and that's going to help you to obviously get more proficient and go through Clickbank exactly what you've got to look for, what you want to look at promoting, and that sort of thing. So check that video out at the end of this video. Okay, so we've got those steps in place so far. So if you follow those steps, you'll then be ready just to do the final step, which actually is quite simple really, although people do struggle with it. And that is traffic. You need to get traffic to your opt-in list, to your offers, to whatever you're promoting, to actually earn money. Without those traffic, you're not going to obviously earn any commissions at all. And that's basically why I say about creating an email list, because once you've got people into your email list, you can then send them emails and then direct them to your blog or to YouTube videos or to offers directly all over the place. And this will give you continuous traffic that you'll build up over time. So definitely start your email list today. Now, like I say, there are various different ways that you can get started while creating traffic. Blogging is a great way to do that. Okay, and you can do blogging by creating a free blog at a site called Wealthy Affiliate. And Wealthy Affiliate is a great site where you can go and actually learn more about affiliate marketing. They've got loads of great stuff inside, and there's also over 2 million members that are there to help you and guide you on your way as well. So if you've got any questions on that, so let's just have a quick dive into Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so you come into Wealthy Affiliate. This is my account here. You'll end up on your dashboard. If you hit the training tab here, this will then give you the free training that you can get even as a free member. So that's the online entrepreneur certification that gives you 10 lessons to get started with, and this will show you how to start and create your own website, guys. And again, you can do this totally for free, and there is also a great opportunity here because there are actually 6 ways that you can actually earn with Wealthy Affiliate just by promoting Wealthy Affiliate themselves. And again, I'll put that on a video towards the end of this video where you can go and check out Wealthy Affiliate as well. Okay, so blogging is a great way. Obviously, things like social media, you can use Instagram, TikTok, that sort of thing. Even Pinterest is very good for certain niches, so check that out as well. But one I use, and I use a lot, is YouTube. And again, if you are looking to use YouTube, but you don't want to be in front of the camera or anything like that, then check out a webinar, a free webinar in my resources in the description below here, and that will show you how you can get started on YouTube without even showing your face on the camera. Okay, so there are some simple ways that you can get started today with affiliate marketing, and obviously you can then start to earn commissions. Now remember, you obviously won't earn commissions if you don't take action. Now it's all right saying that these things don't work, people. This is a proven strategy, guys, and I'm giving you all the tools you need, the free tools that you can get started today. Just check out the videos at the end of this video. Now, the other way you can get traffic is paid traffic, and that is by either solo ads or banner ads, that sort of thing. And if you want to know more about how to do that and how you can earn money while you're learning, head over to a Facebook group that I belong to, and how I make money every month through this Facebook group just by referring people to the Facebook group. It's phenomenal. So go and check it out. Again, I'll put that as my first link in the description below here. So check that video out, join the group, take the free training, and then just implement that training and start earning commissions. And you don't even have to do any promoting yourself, guys, because they do everything for you. So how simple is that? This really is a simple way to earn money in 2021. So I hope you enjoyed this affiliate marketing for beginners tutorial, and all I need you now to do is take action. Check out the videos that I've mentioned before that will be around me here, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel right now, hit that notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time I make new videos.